In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide out-of-stock products fast and easy. This is especially helpful if you manage an online store and want to make sure your customers have a smooth shopping experience. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to your site's dashboard. This is where you control various settings and elements of your website. On the left sidebar, look for the section labeled Woocommerce. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't see this option, make sure your Woocommerce plugin is properly installed and activated. Once you click on Woocommerce, you'll find a list of submenu items. From here, you're going to select Settings. This area is crucial because it contains all the configurations that govern how Woocommerce behaves on your site. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll see various tabs across the top. Click on the Products tab. This is where you'll find options related to product management, inventory, and more. Under this tab, look for and click on Inventory. The Inventory Settings page is incredibly useful because it's where you can customize how stock levels and availability are handled. Now locate the section that mentions out-of-stock visibility. This setting determines whether or not products that are currently unavailable are shown or hidden from your store's catalog. For a seamless user experience, it's often best to hide items that can't be immediately purchased. This reduces customer frustration from the excitement of finding a product they like, only to discover it's unavailable. To hide out-of-stock products, check the box labeled Hide Out-of-Stock Items from the catalog. Once you check this box, your store will automatically filter out any products that are no longer in stock. After you've made this change, it's essential to save your settings to ensure that the update is applied correctly. Typically, there's a Save Changes button at the bottom right of the page. Click it, and your settings will be stored. By following these straightforward steps, you not only enhance the shopping experience, but also maintain a clean, professional appearance for your online store. Customers will only see items they can purchase, which could lead to a more satisfying shopping experience and potentially more sales. Remember, keeping your store's settings optimized is key to a smooth and efficient operation. That wraps up today's tutorial on hiding out-of-stock products. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your online store efficiently. Have a great day